Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. As usual, I go by Frank_G guys. Today it had been a wonderful day guys, amazing moments guys. So we are seeing the environment, a place where we are guys. Let me show you how it's look like. It's look amazing guys. Yeah. Today we are out from our village, little part out guys. So we are working for a small nature walk guys. Today we want to climb a hilltop there to see what's amazing, how it look like guys. Yeah, I think you will enjoy the nature walk guys. So please, if you are new to my new YouTube channel guys, please subscribe, comment, like, share guys. To this journey guys, you must have many participants or many subscribers guys. Let me say many subscribers guys. So it will be good for you to subscribe to my channel guys. Support me guys. I need more support guys. Without your support, we will not manage guys. So continue following up my channel guys, continue subscribing to my channel, continue commenting. We need more comments guys. Yeah, so first let me appreciate for all my subscribers, for all my supporters, for all people, those who are watching these videos guys, following my videos guys. I appreciate your time guys, for you to following me, for you to comment. I appreciate guys. I say thanks for that time guys. Yeah, I appreciate. So appreciate for your time that you spend on my channel guys, commenting. My Lord Jesus Christ bless you guys. Yeah, see how this village around here looks like guys. Yeah, here it's at, I think it is like a tobacco plantation, but they had already harvested tobacco for making cigarette guys. You see how it look like. They had already harvested them. They are not, in tobacco they harvest the leaves guys. Yeah, if you know the cigarette comes from this plant guys. You see this plant, how it look like. So that one make cigarette guys, for smoking. Other people smoke cigarette. Yeah, here I have my friend. Say hi to people.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
My name is Crawford Chacha.
Yeah, this is the boy that I have here. He assists me like a mean of transport guys. He has a bike, so here in this place is so far guys. Imagine I use like 150 to come to this village, to travel to this village. So this boy is like he has a bike, so I use it like a border. They call it the border. Yeah, in Kiswahili. I don't know in English how they call it. But please subscribe to my channel. Comment. Yeah, if it's your first round, subscribe guys. We need more subscribers to our channel guys. Yeah, you see how this village looks like. We want to climb that hill top there guys. Yeah, we see different features of those rocks guys. So continue being with us on this journey guys. Continue following us. Continue. Yeah, I was asking my friend here the Kapanya route that we'll use to pass to climb up there guys. So subscribe to my channel, comment, and enjoy the video, my amazing videos. tupande hapa, kuna njia hapa. Yeah, I was looking like if there is a way there for passing. So guys, continue following me, continue following my video, continue subscribing guys. Today I'm very happy because you know, if you go outside from your village, you see many things, many features apart from the environment. You go for looking another one or another environment that is amazing. So like this place, the environment is amazing guys. Yeah, you see people here are farmers guys. They plant only tobacco, maize, sweet potato. Have you ever eaten sweet potato? Yeah. Have you ever eaten sweet potato? In Africa, East Africa, Kenya, we plant sweet potato guys. Yeah guys, we are still on. You see how this place looks amazing guys. Yeah, see the environment of this place. Yeah, we had already started to climb. We are at the top climbing guys. Yeah, continue following us, continue supporting us, continue subscribing to our channel guys. Yeah, so imagine you want to penya inside here, like a panya root inside there. As we go, we see the way we pass guys. Yeah. So we want to climb this stone up there guys. You see the way it look like. We want to climb up there. So let my friend start, then he can kunivuta, touch me. Can I give you the support? Or you? So my friend here said that let him first climb, then he can give me support up there. You know me, I'm very fat. So my weight is, I have many weights guys. I go like up to, jana nataka kunichukua tu hivi. Hapo. Chukua tu ile inapanda. Acha tu. Chukua hiyo mawe inakaa. Lazima mshizungusha kamera.
Oh, mawe.
Around you. Yeah. Imagine guys, see a place where we are. Let me show you. Wow, amazing. See, wow. Let me remove my shoes so that I cannot fall down. You know, this place is very smooth. Wow. Amazing. Yeah. Imagine, see this place where I am. See around guys. Wow. Go bro. Chano. Amazing. Yeah, this place is good for resting guys. Amazing. You see, even I had sweat guys for this journey to climb up here. You are far up there guys. You are far away guys. Yeah, I see even my friend here is wondering. Yeah. So guys, continue subscribing to our channel guys. Continue following us. Continue commenting guys. Yeah. Imagine. See here. See, I had stand. All of these, even if the rain is raining, you cannot be rained here guys. See how the house down there, how this village looks like guys. Wow. Let me sit like this. See down there. Let me show you. I am up. Imagine guys. Let me show you how our village looks like. This village is not our village. Kuna place ya kwenda round? Kuna sema kwa ndiko juu.
Hapo juu. Labda tuzungukia pale nyote niangalie hapa.
So guys, Amazing place, amazing for enjoying, for having a rest, guys. As you know, I like going to Rock area, guys, for having a rest, for kuna njia
hapa ndio utapanda vizuri ama nikuvuta
nicheko kwa
obo hena
hata ni gani ni karibu mwenye wei yeah guys, see guys, yeah, imagine guys, see a place where I am now. You see that rock? Yeah. Amazing nature walk today. I'm so happy, guys, for having these trips, for having this nature walk, guys. Yeah. Amazing. Now, see how this village looks like. Wow. See. Yeah, see how this village looks like, guys. Yeah. Let me show you this place, how it look like. It look amazing, guys. Imagine, see this rock. It's like it want to fall, guys. Yeah, that's why they call it Nyangero Iragwa. They call it in our local language. They call it Nyangiro Iragwa. You know the meaning of Nyangiro Iragwa? That means like that the stone is going to fall down. So they had give this stone a name, guys, that they call it Nyangiro Iragwa, guys. So in this village, they had given even stones a name, guys. So continue subscribing to my channel, support me, guys, as I go by Frank_G, guys. You know I'm your boy, guy. Support me. Write Frank in capital letter _G, guys. G in capital letter, then search me. Comment, subscribe to my channel, guys, for your support. You know your support matters a lot. You want to reach for that number of subscribers that we are targeting to reach, like 1,000 plus watching hour, viewing, subscribers. Yeah, I think this month everything goes good, guys. So support me as your boy, guy. Continue supporting me, guys. Yeah, see how these amazing things goes, guys. You see how this environment, this village looks like, guys. It looks amazing, guys. Yeah, it looks amazing. Just let me show you this stone. Do you know the story of this stone, guys? They say that in this our culture, they come to kufanya matambiko, wanasemaje, to have a sacrifice. So yeah, they come to sacrifice. Wanataka hapa sacrifice ndio
kutandika,
kufanya matambiko. They come, you know, these local men, guys, the old man, guys, they come here to do sacrifice for their things, guys. They are called, I had forgot the name, but they are coming here to do those things, guys, for their thing to go good, guys. So continue subscribing me, supporting me to my channel, guys. Yeah. As you see, guys, I'm so happy for having you to my channel, for your support, guys. Continue, guys. Yeah. So let me have the end of this video, guys. Let me appreciate my subscribers. Let me appreciate all my people that are supporting me, guys. Continue supporting me. Subscribe. Your subscribe matters a lot. Your comments matter a lot, guys. Share the video, guys. Yeah, I say thanks, guys. Thanks for having your time. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I appreciate, guys. Thank you.
Nipo ni simamishi. Ungeniambia
shika tu
basi.
hivi. Ama acha nianzishe video. Nianzishe tu video. Hello guys, as you see we are outside